The 2021 Sarawak State election, formerly the 12th Sarawak General Election, was held on 18 December 2021 to elect the 19th Sarawak State Legislative Assembly. All 82 seats would be up for election, presuming no constituencies were added or removed in a redistribution. As the 18th Assembly first sat on 7 June 2016, it was originally set to be dissolved automatically on 7 June 2021. However, the 2021 State Emergency Declaration, preceded by an federal 2021 Malaysian State of Emergency Declaration nationwide, arising from the 2020-21 political crisis and the COVID-19 pandemic, suspended the automatic dissolution of the legislature until the proposed end of the emergency duration on 2 February 2022. On 3 November 2021, Istana Negara announced that Yang di-Pertuan Agong Al-Sultan Abdullah Ri'ayatuddin Al-Mustafa Billah Shah had consented to lift the state of emergency, thus the State Legislative Assembly dissolved automatically, and the state election must be held within 60 days after to elect a new state government. Gabungan Party Sarawak won an overwhelming landslide in the election, winning 76 seats and a supermajority over the legislature. Thank you for watching. Like and subscribe if you would like to view more of our videos. Have a nice day.